Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox code error. First, if you encounter error codes 277, 279 or 610, these are usually connection or server issues. First of all, try switching between networks, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and also make sure you're connected to a stable connection internet so your app runs smoothly. After that, restart your Roblox. Then on Android, clear cache, or on iPhone, go to iPhone storage, then scroll down, find Roblox and then offload your app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. After that, make sure your Roblox servers are online. You can check online logging out and logging back in. It often resolves these errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.